Whoa, this car stinks. Using a 32-ounce spray bottle, like this one from Chemical Guys, add 16 ounces of water, and then add 16 ounces of Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant to that sprayer. This will enhance the cleaning action of all surfaces when using the BioBomb deodorizer. Next, add one BioBomb Mini into the spray bottle. Let it dissolve for 5 minutes. You'll see that the entire solution turns yellow. So this is what everyone misses. Next, pull out and deodorize the seat belts and let them retract.